Ready? Bean Queen! Bean Queen! Ride for Scalley Kingdom! Kitty! Beware, Fountain Beast!
By royal decree, all must read. Hear ye, hear ye. Welcome to Scalley Kingdom. Remember that Scalley cat is that
Keep
but
doing
a
the
jest
voice.
and a joke. Do not take the contents of this book literally. All writings herein are crafted for fun alone. Let no soul take these words as gospel, nor seek rule, command, or salvation herein. No one telling you to do anything. This quest is your choice, and no king, queen, or knight holds dominion over thee. No one is in charge. Queen Kenny is in charge. Hey! All risk shall be taken upon the individual alone. Team requirements. Your entire company must remain united for the duration of your quest. All teams must ride only upon non-motorized steeds, no e-bikes, one-wheels, or any contraptions powered by lightning or hidden sorcery. Most importantly, take care of one another and have fun. Photo Instagram requirements. All companies seeking to claim points for the tasks within this sacred ledger must present proper proof, else no points shall be bestowed. All shall record their quests in photo-video format as posts to their team Instagram for the offering of such proofs. Each post must contain your company, minus the photographer, and at least one steed bicycle. Let every post bear the task's name, its point value, and be tagged with @ScalleyKingdom2026 and hashtag ScalleyCat2026. Follow Scalley Kingdom 2026 for updates.
What is a hashtag?
Scribe? What is this hashtag that you got?
Sorcery.
Points are everything and nothing. Shifting as the tides of fortune decree, their value may rise or fall without warning. The tasks herein are open to each company's judgment and shall be carried out with steady purpose and honest craft. Let it be known that creativity and quality of submissions may earn bonus points to be granted at the discretion of the royal court. Keep a close eye on our Instagram for additional and special recompense throughout your quest. Proceed with calm resolve.
Sorcerer, power me! No results found! Oh no!
Wait, hold on. Sorry, I need to tweak the magic. I believe you made a typo,
Let's see, what we got?
Stir soup provocatively if you're a naughty peasant. Women should not eat garlic for it makes them too passionate. 69 points.
Eat raw garlic, it's good for you. Have black teeth at the sign of prosperity. Drink the Kool-Aid.
Get baptized on a bike. You should save that for tomorrow, which is Easter Sunday.
Oh, and throw some shit. Brother Ethan, how fares thee?
I am drinking my wonderful elixir of healing and mirth. And we are in this beautiful river that was provided to us by our great mother Kenneth. And it is a beautiful day.
Huzzah!
Huzzah! Nice. That's great.
Now kiss him.
Whoa!
Be careful what you wish for, Oscar.
For Kenny! I don't know what to do.
Again!
Kenny, say hi.
Hello. We ride
We ride!
for glory.
Whoa.
You know I got it. If you wanna come get it, stand next to this money like.
So cool. Yeah, give me some. It's a video. Ooh. Yeah, Max, get some of that. Get some of that. Nice. Heck yeah. With shirtless Kenny in the background. Wait. What? What is it, brother Ethan? What is that?
Kentucky.
Ooh.
Cold snacks, baby.
Dude, what a find with the fucking sacred scroll. Beautiful. Amazing.
I'll give you 3,000.
I was saying that I realized that Scalley Cat was literally feuding. It's like the royal court, and they have all their like dukes and counts all competing to like rule their favorite stuff.
Hear ye, all denizens of Scalley Kingdom. Did y'all have a fine last 24 hours? All right, so lend me your ears one more time. It has been a long Scalley Kingdom. I've watched a lot of things come across our freaking Instagram, but yeah, this team who came in third, they earned it on points. They earned it on raw Scalley energy.
Yeah! We love you!
So the third place team is Halbert Gutsfuck. In their second year of trying, second place, which is the real winner, goes to the Rhinestone Cowboys.
Oh shit.
First place for Scalley Kingdom 2026 goes to none other than Chivalry in Action.
It was great celebrating with all of you.
Yo, worst place to third place? Oh god.
Excellent work. 3 huzzahs. Huzzah. Huzzah.